Hi guys, so here we are discussing the last question from CAT 25, the third slot, and this question is based on mixtures and alligations. If you want to understand the concept in detail and want to understand a lot of shortcuts to solve the questions in quant section, please don't forget to check out my course for the same, where I've explained everything from the basic level up to the CAT level. You'll find the link for the same in the description. Now, please pause the video and give it a try, and you can resume for the solution. So vessels A and B contain 60 liters of alcohol and water respectively. A certain volume is taken out from A and poured into B. After stirring, the same volume is taken out from B and poured into A. If the resultant ratio of alcohol and water in A is 15:4, then the volume in liters initially taken out from A is. Okay guys, so these are our vessels A and B. A contains 60 liters of pure alcohol while B contains 60 liters of pure water. Now, a certain volume is taken out from A and poured into B. So, we'll just keep track of the alcohol and water content in A and B. In the first case, when I transfers X liters from A to B, the alcohol content in A becomes initial 60 minus X, and in B, initially there is no alcohol content, so the alcohol content is now X liters in B. Okay, if you talk about the water content in both the mixtures, A right now has no water content, B has 60 liters of water. Okay, so that's the situation after we transfer X liters from A to B. Now, if you notice, the same thing is happening from B to A. So from B to A, we are again transferring X liters. So X liters is removed from B and it is transferred to A. Okay, now guys, notice that finally the ratio of alcohol and water in A is 15:4. Initially there is no water content in A. A contains pure alcohol and you have removed X liters from A initially. That means the alcohol content in A is changing. That means the water content in A is only because of the X liters that we are transferring from B. Now we need to find out what is the amount of water transferred from B to A. Very simple. B contains 60 liters of water and we have added X liters of alcohol from A. So the fraction of water in B is 60 out of 60 plus X. That means when X liters are transferred from B to A, the fraction of water in that will also be 60 upon 60 plus X. So the amount of water transferred from B to A will be 60 upon 60 plus X fraction of X. I repeat, the mixture B has 60 upon 60 plus X fraction of water. So if I remove X liters from B, it will also contain 60 upon 60 plus X fraction of water. And this will be equal to the amount of water in A. Initially, A had lost X liters to B and then you are bringing back X liters from B to A. So after first transfer, the mixture in A was 60 minus X. To that, you are again adding X liters. That means the final mixture in A becomes 60 minus X plus X or 60 liters. And finally, the ratio of alcohol and water is 15:4. That means the fraction of water will be 4 by 19th of 60. Okay, we just equate these two and we'll solve for X to get the answer in just one step. So 60 gets cancelled out and we can now just cross multiply. 4 into 60 shall be 240 plus 4 into X is 4X. Will be 19 into X, that is 19X. So 19 minus 4 is 15X. 15X is 240 or X will be 240 divided by 15. That should be 16 liters. That is the answer to my question. 16 liters was transferred from mixture A to B.